For a long time, plants were thought to be silent, passive life forms, rooted in one place, simply growing, flowering, and dying without much interaction with the world around them. But modern science has revealed a fascinating truth: plants are constantly communicating. They may not speak with words or sounds like humans and animals, but they use a rich, complex language made of chemicals, electrical signals, scents, and underground networks. This secret language allows plants to warn each other of danger, attract helpers, defend themselves, and even cooperate for survival. One of the most remarkable ways plants communicate is through chemical signals released into the air. When a plant is attacked by insects, it can emit specific volatile chemicals from its leaves. These chemicals serve multiple purposes. Some act as alarm signals to nearby plants, warning them of an incoming threat. In response, neighboring plants may begin producing bitter or toxic substances that make their leaves less tasty to insects. At the same time, these airborne chemicals can attract predators of the attacking insects, such as wasps, turning the plant's enemies into an advantage. In this way, plants actively shape their environment using invisible messages. Plants also communicate below the ground through their roots and the soil. Roots release chemical compounds that influence the growth of nearby plants, bacteria, and fungi. One of the most important underground communication systems involves mycorrhizal fungi, which form symbiotic relationships with plant roots. These fungi create vast networks, often called the wood wide web. Through this network, plants can exchange nutrients like carbon, nitrogen, and phosphorus. Even more astonishing, plants can send warning signals through these fungal connections. If one plant is under attack, it can alert others through the network, allowing them to prepare defenses in advance. Another surprising aspect of plant communication is the use of electrical signals. Just like animals, plants can transmit electrical impulses through their tissues. When a leaf is damaged, an electrical signal travels through the plant, triggering defensive responses in distant leaves. This internal communication helps the plant respond quickly and efficiently to threats. Although these signals are slower than human nerve impulses, they are highly effective for a stationary organism. Plants also listen to their surroundings in unique ways. Research has shown that some plants can respond to vibrations such as the sound of insects chewing on leaves. Upon detecting these vibrations, plants may increase the production of defensive chemicals even before significant damage occurs. This suggests that plants are not only reactive but also predictive, adjusting their behavior based on subtle environmental cues. Competition and cooperation are both part of the plant language. While some plants release chemicals that inhibit the growth of competitors nearby, others cooperate by sharing resources, especially within the same species or family. Large older plants, sometimes called mother trees, can support younger seedlings by sending them nutrients through underground networks. This challenges the idea that nature is purely competitive and shows that cooperation plays a vital role in plant communities. The secret language of plants changes how we see the natural world. Plants are not isolated individuals but members of a connected, responsive network. They sense, communicate, remember, and adapt in ways that were once thought impossible for organisms without brains. Understanding this hidden language not only deepens our respect for nature but also has practical benefits. It can help improve agriculture, protect forests, and inspire more sustainable ways of living in harmony with the living systems around us. In the quiet green world around us, conversations are always happening. We may not hear them, but plants are constantly exchanging information, ensuring survival, balance, and continuity of life on Earth.